My name is Hector Quiroga. I am an immigration attorney from Spokane, Washington. This is my 8th LQM. I was really struggling to make ends meet, both at the family level and then even at the law firm level. I was working an insane amount of hours. I was putting 80 hours into this. I was doing my website, my blogging. I was doing the cases. So I felt like I had tried everything. I was very cautious with my expenses. I was looking at everything in my market. I felt I was doing everything I could. Being stuck for so long is what finally pushed me to come here. Getting out of your way and let them teach you and guide you is a big leap of faith, because your entire livelihood depends on them being right. And that was very fearful. But once I took that leap of faith, things start happening. Every 90 days I see progress, and that's encouraging to continue coming because there is more progress.